And what's the news tonight? Who got shot? Who's losing their life? Man, I gotta do this for Christ. Man, I'm doing this right. He's gonna use me tonight, whether you hear this or you lose the light. Whether you can see me or whether it's too dark or they lose too bright. But I'm still gonna be that one that glows and takes flight. Take rise to the sky. Man, I'm gonna be the one, look me in the eye. Yo, to God be the glory, to God be all the praise. Man, my hands raised. And I'm sitting here on the ground. I'm so broken to the days. But that's okay. I know one day he's gonna pick me up. And he gon' fix me, and then he gon' be like, get yourself up. And I'm so low, but that's okay. I be so high, and I ain't talking about smoking weed or doing some drugs. I'm talking about looking Christ, yeah. And he up on the throne, and he's in the heavenly realms. He sits alone, yeah. And then I sing the song, give him everything, man. I say I'm doing wrong. I say I surrender my life. I just wanna do everything and turn it over right. And he gives me the power. That's not willpower, no, that's real power. My homie Lecrae said, that's what I do, man. Everything be in my head. I'm just freestyling on the way home. I'm driving, ain't got nothing else to do, but I'm gone.